Hi Sea Turtle people, my name is Amalia María Cano-Castaño, or AMCC, or simply Amalia. I'm a biologist, a graphic design technician, and a specialist in editing and publishing. I belong to Fundación Coriácea and Casa Minca. The first was created in 2008 to contribute to the knowledge and the conservation of the biodiversity, especially of the testudinis. And the second is a cultural collective that was created in 2015 with a sustainable development approach. They are both in Medellin, Colombia, South America. You can find more information about them in our websites. I'm very excited because you have prioritized our environmental education workshop. I would have loved to be with you in Thailand. Fortunately, I can accompany you in some way. Enjoy the workshop very much. I hope to see you in Ghana. Bye bye.